Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change page background color in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change page background color. Now going to the page design option. Now for click, then click for a background option, then click for more background. Now click for solid fill option, then click for a color. Now choose from color. Now click for OK. That is. Then again change background color. Now paste for the same apply. Now click for page design option, then click for a background. Now click for more background. Now click for a solid fill and click for color option. Then click for a LSS color. Now click for OK. That is. Then you show change page background color in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for